¿Nunca les ha pasado que acaban de limpiar su casa y luego entran a su cuarto y hay un puto mugrerete? And it's like, I forgot to clean my room now. That's me right now. This one I broke it. I don't know if I should keep it. Because luego no encuentro. I struggle so much tendiendo esta cobija because it's so big. I hate doing it. But I need to clean my room because I'm about to record a makeup video, so my room needs to be clean, not because I want to clean my room, being honest. Okay, so this is how the bed is looking so far. Okay, so I always leave my white shirt for work and my jeans on my chair for the next day, and I'm still washing, so I have so much clothes to put up, and I hate it. Según yo ya había terminado, and hell no. Like, my room is clean and everything, and then I still have more, like 2 more loads that I'm gonna have to fix, and I'm already tired. I just wanted to do my makeup, literally. Let me know if you wanna see my tutorial how I did this eye makeup and my foundation